Om Shanti, 29 June 2020, Morning Murli. Essence, sweet children. This study is the basis of your going into the future elevated claim. Only through this study can you change from beggars to princes. Question: in which two ways can you receive a golden spoon in the mouth? Answer: one is by giving donation and performing charity on the path of devotion. The other is by studying this knowledge. When you donate something or perform charity on the path of donation, you take birth to a king or a wealthy person. However, that aspect is limited. By studying this knowledge, you receive a golden spoon in the mouth. This aspect is unlimited. You cannot receive a kingdom on the path of devotion by studying. Here, the better someone studies, the higher the status he claims. Om Shanti. The spiritual father sits here and explains to you sweetest, long lost, and now found children. This is called spiritual knowledge. The father comes and tells you, children of Bharat, to consider yourselves to be souls and to remember the father. The father has specially given you his order. Therefore, you should listen to him. Should you not? The Srimad of the highest and high father is very famous. You children know the only Shiv Baba is called Shri Shri. He also makes us Shri Shri. Shri means elevated. You children now know that is was the father who made them. What made Lakshmi and Narayan become like that? We are now studying for the new world. The new world is called heaven, the land of immortality. Many names are used to praise it. People speak of heaven and hell. They say that so and so became a resident of heaven, which means that he must have been a resident of hell. People have no basic understanding of what heaven is or what hell is, of what the new world is or what the old world is. They understand nothing of that at all. There is so much extended splendor amongst you, children too. Only a few understand that it is definitely the Father who is teaching you. You have come here to become Lakshmi or Narayan. We will change from beggar to princess. First, we will go and become princess. This is a study. When you are studying to become an engineer or barrister, it remains in your intellect that you will later have a home built, that you will do this and that. Everyone is aware of their duties. You children will go and take birth in elevated families through this study. The more you study, the more elevated family you will take birth. You will take birth to a king and then rule a kingdom. It is remembered golden spoon in the mouth. Firstly, you receive a golden spoon in the mouth by studying this knowledge. Secondly, when you donate a great deal and perform a lot of charity, you take birth to a king. However, that aspect is limited. The aspect here is unlimited. Understand everything very clearly. If you can't understand anything, You can ask about it. Note down what you have to ask Baba. The main thing is to remember the Father. If you have any doubt, He puts it right. You children know that by donating and performing charity on the path of donation, you take birth to a wealthy person. When someone does something bad, he takes birth accordingly. Some who come to Baba have such karmic bondage. Don't even ask. All of those karmic bondages come from the past. Some kings have very severe karmic bondage. Lakshmi and Narayan have no bondage at all. Their creation takes place through the power of yoga. Since we are able to claim the kingdom of the world with the power of yoga, can babies not be born in the same way? They have a vision in advance. That is a common thing there. Bands play with a lot of happiness. An elderly person changes into a child. Why a child is given greater respect than a Mahatma? Mahatma means great soul. It's because Mahatmas grow old wise, passing through all the stage of life. They know all about wise, whereas little children don't know anything about this. This is why they are considered to be greater than Mahatma. There are all Mahatmas. Even Krishna is said to be a great soul. He is a real Mahatma. Only in the golden age are there great souls. There cannot be anyone like them here. You children should experience a lot of happiness inside because you are now going to take birth in the new world. This old world is to be destroyed. When a house becomes old, you become happy knowing that you are moving to a new one. Such beautiful house of marble, etc. are built. The Jains have a lot of money. They consider themselves to be very high claim. In fact, there are no high claim here. When looking for a marriage partner, they too look for a higher claim. Then there is a no question of claims, etc. There is just the deity claim and no other claims. For this, you practice at the confluence age. We are all souls, children of the one Father. Firstly, there is the soul, and then there is the body. Everyone in the world is body conscious. You now have to become soul conscious. Whilst living at home with your families, you have to make your stage powerful. Baba has so many children and such a big household. He must have so many concerns. This one too has to make effort. I am not a sannyasi. The Father has entered this one. There are the image of Brahma, Vishnu, and Shankar, and Brahma is the most elevated of them. So, if you put him aside, who else would the Father enter? Brahma is not newly born. You can see how he is adopted and how you become Brahmins. Only you know these things. What would other know? They says, once he was a jeweler and now you call him Brahma. Do such people understand how so many Brahmins have been created? You have to explain each aspect very clearly. All of these things are very deep matters. This Brahma is corporeal. Corporeal means Vyak, and that one is in the subtle reason. Is subtle, this Brahma becomes pure and then becomes that Avyakt one. means subtle. This one says, I am not pure at this time. I am becoming as pure as that one. Prajapita has to exist here. Prajapita means father of people, has to exist here. Where else would he come from? The father himself explains, I enter an impure body. Surely this one would be called Prajapita. The one in the subtle reason would not be called that. What would people do there? This one becomes pure independently. Just at this, one make effort. So you too have to make your own independent effort and become pure. You are becoming the master of the world. Heaven and hell are totally separate. Everything is now divided into two pieces. It is a matter of 5,000 years ago when it is used to be your kingdom. However, those people speak of hundreds of thousands of years. Only those who understood these things a cycle ago will understand them now. You see all type of people, Muslims, Parsis, etc. coming here. They may be Muslims, but they would then give him knowledge of Hindus. It is a wonder, for instance, someone who belongs to a Sikh religion teaches Raj Yoga. Those who have been converted will then be transferred back into the deity claim. The sapling is being planted. Christian and Parsis come to you. Buddhists will also come. Your children know that when the time comes close, your name will be glorified everywhere. Many will come to you through just one lecture. They will all be reminded that this is their true religion. Nowadays, it is going on so. Those who belong to a religion will definitely come here. It is not a matter of hundreds of thousands of years. The Father sits here and explains. Yesterday, you belonged to the deity claim. You are now claiming your inheritance from the Father in order to become deities once again. You are the true Pandavas. Pandavas are guides. Those guides are physical. Your Brahmins are spiritual guides. You are now studying with the unlimited Father. You should have such a great intoxication about this. We are going to the Father from whom we receive our unlimited inheritance. That Father is also our teacher. There is no need for tables and chairs, etc. Here, all the notes you write are only for your own efforts. In fact, all of this is a matter of understanding. Shubhava does not write with a pen, etc. He picks up a pencil to write to you. You then understand that the letter is red writing has come to you from Shubhava. The father writes, spiritual children. Your children also understand that. That is your spiritual father. He is the highest on high. You have to follow his directions. The father says, lust is your greatest enemy. It causes sorrow from the time it starts through the middle to the end. Do not be influenced by the evil spirit. Become pure. People call out, O purifier. Your children receive great strength in order to rule so that no one can conquer you. You become so happy. Therefore, you should pay a great deal of attention to this study. We are receiving our kingdom. You know into what you are changing from what you were. The versions of God says, I teach you Raj Yoga and makes you into the King of Kings. No one knows who God is. Souls call out, O Baba. Therefore, they should know how and when He comes. Only human beings would know the beginning, middle, and end of the drama and its duration. By knowing this, you become deities. Knowledge is for receiving salvation. It is now the end of Iron Age. Everyone is in a state of degradation because everyone is going gradually decreases by time. So Baba says that in the golden age, there is for receiving salvation. You know that Brahma Baba has come to, now the end of the Iron Age. Baba has come to grant everyone salvation. He has come to awaken everyone. This is not a graveyard, but everyone is in extreme darkness. Therefore, he comes to awaken them. The children who awaken from their deep slumber experience a great deal of happiness, knowing that they are the children of Shiv Baba and that they have no worries of any kind. The Father is making us into the master of the world where there is no mention of crime. This is the world of crime. That is the world of cheerfulness. Look how beautiful and cheerful the faces are in the pictures. Whose pictures? Lakshmi Narayan. The features cannot be created identically here. Your intellects can understand that their features must be something like that. You taste children, now remember that you are becoming the future princes of the land of immortality. This land of death, this haystack, has to be set on fire. In a civil war, they continue to kill one another without even realizing whom they are killing. After the crisis of distress, there will be crisis of victory. There will be victory for you, and everyone else will be destroyed. You will be treated in the rosary of Rudra and then in the rosary of Vishnu. You are now making effort to return home. Devotion has spread so much. Devotion has spread like a tree with so many leaves. The seed is knowledge. The seed is so tiny. The seed is Baba. Now know how his tree grows, how it is sustained, and how it is destroyed. This is the inverted trees of the variety of religions. Not a single person in the world knows this. You children now have to make a lot of efforts to remember the Father so that your sins can't be absorbed. The people who recite the Gita also say Manmana Bhava. Renounce all bodily religions. Consider yourself to be a soul and remember the Father. However, no one understands the real meaning of that. Of that. That is the path of devotion. This is the path of knowledge. A kingdom is being established. There is nothing to worry about. Those who have here a little knowledge will become part of these subjects. Knowledge can never be destroyed. Those who know this accurately and make effort will claim a high status. Your intellects understand that we are going to become the princes of the new world. When students pass their examinations, they become so happy. You should experience a thousand-fold greater supersensuous joy. How much joy should you have? You are becoming the master of the whole world. This is intoxication of knowledge. You must never serve in any situation. If you are unable to get on with your Brahmin teacher, you then serve with the father. Must serve in any situation. If you are unable to get on with your Brahman teacher, then serve with the father. Oh, connect your intellect and yoke to the father. Remember him with a lot of love. Baba, I will continue to remember you and return home. Acha. To the sweetest, beloved, long lost, and now found children, love, remembrance, and good morning from the mother, the father, Bagdada. The spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children. The spiritual children says Namaste to the spiritual father. Essence of Dharana. First point. Don't worry about anything. Always remain cheerful. Always remain aware that you are Shiv Baba's children and that the Father has come to make you into the masters of the world. Baba is supreme and we are child of God and we are becoming the master of this world. Second point. In order to make your stage constant, make effort to become soul conscious. Remove all your attachment from this old home. Bless you. May you be a true trustee who experiences the stage of liberation in life by breaking the cage of bondage. Once again, may you be a true trustee who experience the stage of liberation in life by breaking the cage of bondage. Description. Bondage of bodies and relation is a cage. Baba has given us example. Bondage is bodies and relation is a cage. You have to fulfill your family duties in name, not with attachment, and you will then be said to be free from bondage. Those who have moved along as trustee are free from bondage. If there is any consciousness of mind, that is like being in a cage. You have now become angels from being like parrot in a cage. And so, let there not be slightest bondage, not even any bondage in your mind. What can I do? How can I do this? I want to, but it doesn't happen. All thoughts are running in our mind. All of these are bondages of the mind. When you have died alive, all your bondages finish and you just simply continue to experience the stage of being liberated in life. Slogan. When you save your thoughts, your time and words will be saved. What's the slogan? When you save your thoughts, your time and words will automatically be saved. Thoughts, we should not create any wasteful thoughts, negative thoughts, because it degradation of our and gradually decrease our energy also. If I save these thoughts, your time and words will automatically be saved. Om Shanti.